Welcome back to the channel. So this is the great day, the first day of the move. Today we're going to move the major furnitures and the short-term stuff we need to for living for the next few weeks. As I did say in the last video, we're moving at the location where my mother-in-law is living now, and in mid-October we're going to move to the new place. You see, maybe you can see the sign on the side of the street. It says sold. That's the good news. We'll have to move a few cars so that we can have some room to maneuver. I did rent this one hydraulic platform, a 20 feet platform for the case and all the implements to be able to move it, but it's going to be later that weekend or next week. I took a week off for that purpose. As you can see, the weather is not that nice. We'll see what it does. Anyways, today is going to be the move for the furniture. We also rent, they call it in French a cube. It's a closed truck. It's so will be protected for rain. Dave is supposed to join me in a few minutes and we're going to start that move. First is to go and get the rentals. So that's where my daughter went with my wife to get a platform, and with Dave I'm going to get the big truck. So the next owner is going to take that wood while I'm going to take this part of the wood. So this is 21 inches long wood, which is best suited for the stove we have here, as opposed to this one, which is 16 inches wide or long, which is best suited for most of the stoves or fireplaces. I have almost 2 face coils there. I'm going to stack that on pallets. Oh, by the way, I had my son to get myself a jigger transpalette. I don't know what his name. What's the name? That's fairly cheap for a new piece of equipment. $225 to A1 Machinery. Although the name suggests it's a remote company, it's based in Quebec here. I got a big bunch of those boxes. It's 100. So you can see the sizes, 29 inches by 20 inches by 15 and a half, 102 liters. Whatever that means for you in terms of liters. It's kind of a large box. And they are stackable. So I'll be able to put my tools and all that stuff on those boxes, stack a big bunch of boxes on pallets. So that's the deal. I have a big bunch of old pallets, and I was also able to get a substantial amount of plywood sheets. They are 4x4 1/2 inch, so that will be much easier to cover the top of the pallet, so they are much stronger like that. And might I also be able to put a top on that, so that whatever pallets I'm going to build and stack stuff on it, I'll be able also to top the pallet with plywood. Actually, this is my goal. I still have all that mess here I need to clean. A few pieces of wood, which would be really handful for jigging or rigging. And this is one water heater. I already have a project in mind for that next fall or early winter. And this one, by the way, comes from my father-in-law. That's one of the last time I see him. He came to me to bring that water heater tank, actually. Now, the beast that will be put to work soon in the next few days. I have to be very careful Last time I had a wasp nest in the top part of the ropes. It did surprise me when I started the tractor. Other than that, implements are mostly already on pallets. I have this big stack of wood that we will unstack and put on pallets and put that on the platform. Yeah, the same for the ladders. I have a few of them. Implements again, more and more pallets. The splitter, the roller, the small dump trailer, the chunker. I have to put that on pallets yet. And also I got a hold also of it's meant to make shelves on you know, those that's what I want to show you. Was also able to get again a very good bunch of those steel beams to go along with the steel shelves. And this is a project to make more. For the shelves, I'm going to dismantle them. I don't intend to assemble them at my mother-in-law's house. She has more flatland than I do, so it's not a big deal to put all the implements here and there. It would be kind of a mess, but it's only for a few weeks. But this one will be very useful at the new place, along with a lot of the other racking I got to be able to assemble. I think this is Dave that is coming. Now that's Dave coming for help. Hello Dave.
C'est cette caméra. You bought the new camera.
Yeah, that's been a while. I did have it.
Oh,
yeah, sure.
Yeah, I forgot about it. So today is the great moving day.
Yeah, I was doing a tour of the all the stuff. So the main concern is not that moving furniture in that house; it's moving my stuff.
Yes. Well, we're very well equipped, right?
Yep.
Oh yes. And oh boy.
A lot of stuff to move.
Well, no, it's not that bad.
Yeah, it's just the problem is that we have to move it twice.
Yeah. We have a house in transition. What did you done though? You went to jail? You're in transition from...
Yeah.
Oh boy, but hey, it's gonna be done. And,
yeah, it should be fine because we have a lot of pallets, plywoods, and we're going to rig stuff so that we can move them not by hand but with mechanical help.
Yes.
But today is the furniture day.
Yes. You need to sleep tonight, right?
Yeah, yeah, that's it. It's always better.
Perhaps, yes. Oh yeah. The sleeping is the most important. Then eating, and then having a bathroom, and then your own business.
Yeah, sure.
Under a dry roof.
Yeah, sure. Good. Ready?
Oh,
We're
yes.
going to go there, get that truck for
Oh yes.
that rental truck.
Yes.
Good. See you. Dave is doing the inspection.
We'll be able to drive that tractor, go at 200 miles per hour, slam the brake, and nothing will happen.
Hopefully. But if you want to avoid, that would be best. There we go. That's a start. Here comes my son driving the Volvo, going to drive the wood chunker and also the milling. Quick update there. The move went very well, but it was quite a sprint. As planned, the furniture in the house were not quite hard to move. It was more in the basement and my garage with all that stuff. Now I'm in the carport my father-in-law built like 10-15 years ago. It's a lean-to to the big garage. I'll show you that. We were able to fit all our stuff in that small garage. It's very packed. You will see that anyways. I was able to manage to dispatch all my stuff here and there, so the backyard doesn't look like a mess, not too much. We're now maybe 4 weeks before the move. Tomorrow is going to be, there will be an auction to the new property where we're going. So the previous owner is selling his stuff through an auction. So I'll be there with most likely Dave and Mike. So that's pretty much part of my stuff that can be exposed to rain or weather. It's under the roof, but we never know. I show you on the inside of the garage. So this is the entrance of the garage. It's 20 by 30 deep. We've used a lot of those stackable boxes, and as you can see, there's the wooden boxes 4x4x4, which are pretty much full. And as we go through, there's a very small path to go through. So we've got the there's one snowblower. I don't know what we're going to do with that. There's a big pile of wood, planks, lumbers, dryer, washer stacked together. Again, more and more boxes. One bandsaw, table saw. I'm going to move forward. I'm crawling there. My welding table here. One of the table, more big box, and there's the boxes and bikes on top of that. So you get a good clue here. Oh yes, by the way, there's skylight there. So the question is that leaking? Yes, but there's gutter. Hey. So no, I'm not getting any water on my table saw. Whew. That's pretty much packed. Okay, as you can see, there's rows, columns, and of those stackable boxes. And here's the flag for the next snow pile contest next year. So that's how to stack a 20 by 30 feet garage. So stay along for the next projects. So next project is going to be doing the roof on the house here, so we can sell it later. So this house could be on sale in mid-late October, so we have to get it ready. And once we're moved out, then we're going to be able to sell this house. See you on the next project.